That is an excellent summary of the HAPPRUN Google TV Smart Projector, highlighting all its major selling points. The most notable feature of this model is the inclusion of the official licensed Google TV operating system, which is a significant advantage over many unbranded projectors. Here is a breakdown of the key specifications and features of the HAPPRUN 4K UHD Smart Projector, model often listed as 510 or C9. HAPPRUN Google TV Smart Projector Breakdown. Feature: Operating System. Detail: Official license Google TV 11.0 or later with Google Voice Assistant. Key benefit: direct integrated access to Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, YouTube, and the Google Play Store. No external streaming stick needed. Native resolution. Detail: 1920 by 1080p. Native 1080p clarity. Key benefit: provides true full HD clarity, which is sharper than basic 720p projectors. Mac support. Detail: 4K UHD video decoding. Key benefit: the projector can accept and process a 4K input signal, though it downscales it to 1080p for projection. Brightness. Detail: 400 ANSI lumens. Some models listed as 200 or 1500, but 400 is common for this line. Key benefit: bright enough for clear viewing in a dark room and usable in very dim environments. Audio. Detail: built-in 5W high-fidelity speaker with Dolby sound effects support. Key benefit: delivers clear, balanced, and immersive sound, reducing the immediate need for external speakers. Wireless. Detail: Wi-Fi 6 technology and Bluetooth 5.2. Key benefit: faster, more stable internet connection for smooth streaming. Easily connect to external Bluetooth soundbars or headphones. Screen size. Detail: projects a screen size typically up to 300 inches. Key benefit: massive screen potential for a truly cinematic home or outdoor experience. Smart adjustments. Detail: electric focus and auto vertical keystone correction. Some models also include auto obstacle avoidance or auto screen alignment. Key benefit: quick and easy setup, automatically ensuring a clear rectangular image without manual fiddling. Connectivity. Detail: HDMI, USB, 3.5mm audio jack. Key benefit: connects to game consoles, PS5, Xbox, laptops, external drives, and more. This projector offers a strong combination of a genuine smart TV experience via Google TV and solid projection specs for its price point. Buy link in description.